What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Labubu. Now I want to begin today's lesson in the center of a page with the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the top left. We're just going to bend this around and just curl that up towards the outside. Let's line up the top over on the right and go in the opposite direction. Coming down towards the same height and then back up. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. So all the way over on the left side we're going to draw an oval. Going down, come around and just tuck that up underneath. And then we're just going to line this up on the right, drawing that same size oval. Let's trace that eye along the inside, starting underneath the brow, coming down, and just pull that up underneath. On the top left side, add a small circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's go in between the eyes, add the nose, add a curve across the top. From the sides, bend this down and in toward the center point. And we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Now along the top of the nose, we're going to add 3 dots. 2 across the bottom and 1 in the center. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw that large mouth. Let's start on the left side. Cut this down, go across, and then bend that up. Let's line the bottom of the mouth with the teeth. Starting in the center, let's start with the one on the left. Coming down and then up. Go back to the center, add one going up towards the right. Now I'm going to continue to add some more teeth going out towards the left side. Just going to start bending these out. Just going to add 3 on either side. And now with the face complete, let's draw the inside edge of the head. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Let's add some fur. Coming down and then up. Let's add another point. Coming down and out. Now this trim is like an oval going around the face. Let's start again back on the left side, going out and then down. Let's add a point going up. Let's continue around the mouth. Pull this in towards the center. Go all the way around the right side. And then we're just going to bend that back in. Now let's draw the outside of the head. Let's start up along the middle, along the top with another point. Let's add some fur, going out and back in. Let's add another one, going out and bend that back in. Let's go all the way around the outside. Add another point. Let's continue around the left side, coming down. And each time we're just going to add a point to create that fur texture. And we're going to make our way back towards the center. I just want to round this out. Now let's go all the way back up to the top and add the ears, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, round up the top of the ear, go out, and then back down. Let's go over towards the right, going up towards the same height, round out the ear, and then bring that down. Let's trace this curve along the inside. So we're going to start back on the left, going up, and then down. Let's do that one more time. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Labubu. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.